Hey, I'm building out my deck here, adding a lot of nice little items to it. Here I have from Brighttown a string light. Now these are really cute. They're a green cable with little lotus flowers, and they're 50 on this one string. They're all solar powered. You get 4 colors, so you can place 4 colors across simultaneously across all these little flowers. Now, if you know anything about Brighttown, I have quite a few of their products, and the reason why is their solar really work. Once this is charged, maybe 3 hours out in the daylight, this will run all night. I mean, I'll get 12 hours out of this. And having 50 on one string, and I'm probably just going to run the whole thing. I'm going to kind of drape them and just kind of, I want to be able to see that color across some of the shrubs. Now I want to show you the controller. So on the back of the little solar panel is your on off. It's digital, which is nice because it tells you it's got a little blue flashing light. And then it has the mode set. So I turn it on, and then every time I hit a mode, this light's going to flash. Now it's got 8 modes, and it'll be fun to play with. Of course, it's not going to come on until it gets dark. Flashing, going multiple colors. And then we've got twinkles of different colors. So we've got red, green, blue, like a yellow. And then we got a fade, like a waterfall. So they just kind of fade in and fade out. And then we've got a flashing mode, all alternates. And then we've got solid. We've got red, green, blue, and yellow solid. You might want to call it orange or yellow, depending on your taste. And then that's really nice. Look at that. They all just flash, flash, flash. And this is all just running off this little tiny battery that's built into this solar panel. It's just amazing.